nyo guys, ang layo ng nilakbay namin at punta nito. Sacred place ito dito. Yan, tingnan nyo ang lugar. Ganda. Tingnan nyo. Napakaganda ng place. Yan, kukuha kami ng tubig. May holy water dito. Holy well. Hej!
Ta pierwsza myśl. Ta pierwsza myśl.
Ito ang holy well.
Głowa to pierwsze, to jest intuicja.
Pwede kang kumuha dito ng inumin.
Dam radę.
Yan, dito pala sila. Kung ka ng inumin dito. Oh. Yan. Inumin ko naman sila ng inumin. Oh.
There was one left out when you go in there.
Thank you.
This is St. Mullings well.
Thank you very much. Thank you.